So hey guys, this is Shaja. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna discuss the monthly reading wrap up. So today we are gonna discuss our monthly reading wrap up, where I review the books which I read in the particular month, which is blah 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 blah. And today we are gonna discuss, review, and whatever which is possible do about the books I read in 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 May. Okay. So I have listed all the books in this diary, journal, whatever. So let me tell you. I know I'm very late for this, but there were many things going on. I had exams and etc. So I was not getting time to do it. So here we are doing it now. So I read many books this month, and I loved most of them. So let's start from the very beginning. We have Once Upon a Broken Heart, and I DNF'd it. I'll rate it 2 stars. I was not able to connect at all to the storyline because it was not at all the book's mistake. It was my mistake. I had exams when I started reading this book, and after that I stopped reading it because I had exams. And when I started to read it again, I forgot everything that happened behind in those days when I read it. So it was not at all the book's fault. It was mine. And after that, I lost the connection, whatever, and I was not able to read it any further. Secondly, we have The Cruel Prince. I have read the first book. I enjoyed it. I'll reread it because I want to reread it because I want to reread it because thirdly, we have all 6 books of the Legacy of God series. Let me rank it from the 1 to 6. I think 6 books are only there. Rank it for you to understand which book I liked, which book I don't, which book I loved, which book I liked. There is a difference between loved and like, apparently. First installment of the Legacy of God series was God of Malice, and I rank it on number 1. I loved the book. I loved everything. It's a little problematic and a little psychotic and a little psycho. The character, the MMC is so unhinged that you should stop a while and read the trigger warnings if you're planning to read it. Okay, you will be shocked from the second chapter onwards. If you know, you know. It has chilies, so many chilies that chilies don't count now. Secondly, I had God of Pain, and I'll rank it. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll rank it 6 because I couldn't help but imagine Cretan King as a monkey. I couldn't have help but imagine him as a monkey. Okay. Thirdly, we had God of Wrath, and I'll rate Jeremy Volkov at the position 3rd because he was good. Okay, I'll rank him 3rd because he was Russian roulette. Okay, we have God of Ruin and Lantern King, the man he is, unhinged sculptor vibes. Okay, I'll I'll give him the 4th position of my ranking. Nextly, I had God of Fury. Yes, we had God of Fury, and I ranked Nikolai Sokolov to number 2nd. He is so chaotic, so fun, so problem creating person. I loved his character a lot. Okay, he is he is the opposite of Brandon King, and he is last. We have God of War, and he goes at the last because I didn't like the book as much as everything. Not last. He goes to number 5 because better than I liked him better than God of Pain. Actually, I read a book. He found me. I don't remember the author's name because the book was so boring, so obvious, so bekar. In short, it was a 1-star read. It was so repetitive. It was so I don't know. And at last, and the best read of May 2026 till now is the Empyrean series. Fourth Wing, Iron Flame, and Onyx Storm. These 3 books I read. And Mind you, I'm not lying. I loved each and every of them. Fourth Wing was so perfectly fine. Iron Flame was so emotional wrecking, and Onyx Storm was mixed of both of these. It destroyed me at the end, and I love it for all cost. By seeing the times I have reviewed it on my channel, and that was it. And I'll upload a TBR video very soon for May. I have my exams again, so I won't be able to read much in this month, I guess. But let's see what happens. That was it. If this video was boring, I know. So you can check out my other videos on my channel. I review books. I do things about books. Everything that is possible. And I'm a hardcore fantasy reader, romantasy, etc. So that's all. If this is your taste, you can subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.